Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective, where we bring you the latest in luxury and performance cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Rolls-Royce Spectre. If you're a fan of high-end luxury, futuristic design, and cutting-edge technology, then this is the car you've been waiting for. The Rolls-Royce Spectre marks a groundbreaking moment for the brand, as it's their very first fully electric vehicle. Rolls-Royce, known for its traditional craftsmanship and opulence, has now shifted gears to meet the demands of the electric age, while keeping true to the values that have made them iconic. This car is not just a step forward for Rolls-Royce, but a leap into the future of luxury automobiles. Let's talk about the design. The Spectre carries the elegant yet bold design language that Rolls-Royce has become synonymous with. From its imposing front grille, designed to let the world know it's a Rolls-Royce, to the sleek aerodynamic lines that wrap around the body, the Spectre is a perfect blend of traditional luxury and modern sophistication. It's as if Rolls-Royce took the spirit of ecstasy, their iconic hood ornament, and injected it with a dose of futuristic flair. One of the standout features of the Spectre is its performance. Despite being an electric vehicle, Rolls-Royce has ensured that the Spectre delivers the same effortless power and refinement that you expect from any Rolls-Royce. It's powered by a dual-motor setup, with over 500 miles of range on a single charge, and a 0-60 time that's incredibly fast for such a heavy car. The Spectre accelerates with a grace that only a Rolls-Royce can, delivering that signature, silent power that we've all come to love. Inside, the Spectre takes luxury to another level. Rolls-Royce has crafted a cabin that's pure opulence. The finest leather, the softest carpets, and an attention to detail that's second to none. The cabin is designed to be a sanctuary for its occupants, with technology seamlessly integrated into the environment. The touchscreens and controls are elegantly hidden when not in use, keeping the interior uncluttered, while the bespoke options available mean that no two Spectres will ever be the same. Technology in the Spectre doesn't just end with the interior. Rolls-Royce has made sure that this car has the most advanced driving aids and autonomous features, making it a pleasure to drive and to be driven in. The car is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS to provide a smoother, safer driving experience. But what really makes the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre special is its symbolic significance. It's Rolls-Royce's first major step into the electric era, setting the stage for the brand's future. While keeping all the luxury and elegance we associate with Rolls-Royce, the Spectre shows that electric vehicles can offer both sustainability and unparalleled luxury without compromise. So, there you have it, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre, a car that's redefining what it means to be a luxury electric vehicle. If you're as excited as we are about this car, hit that like button, subscribe to the Car Collective, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about this stunning new addition to the Rolls-Royce lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting updates from the world of luxury cars.